This next demo covers the type on a path quiz, type on top, type on bottom. Best way to do this is to do a 3-inch circle and 24-point type. That way your type won't be too big and it'll fit okay in your circle. So I'm going to take my ellipse tool and just click once on the page. And I'll just type in 3 tab 3, so I get a 3-inch circle. Okay, now this is a little bit more difficult because our type on a path is in a circle as opposed to an open path. What I'm going to do is take the third tool over, type on a path tool, and click right on the path. Okay, that will load up my cursor. As I said, this best works with 24-point type on a 3-inch circle. I'm going to put my cap lock on and type on top. Then I'll go to my black arrow selection tool. And if you remember the left and right bracket, you can see when you're in a circle, they're right on top of each other. So we need to find the right one and drag it all the way over to the right side. Remember, do not click on these little squares that is threading text. If that happens, just hit Command Z. So basically, I can see the little arrow here. That's the right bracket, and I'm dragging it over to the right. So now I have my left bracket, center bracket, right bracket, and now I can grab the center bracket and adjust. Now, if you continue to type all along here, say you're doing this for a logo, what happens is your type is upside down when you get down here, and that's no good. So to do this properly, so you can read it, we need 2 circles. Now, we could copy and paste the circle, but there's another way. What I'm going to do is grab the center bracket, I'm moving it on the path, and we all know that if you hold down Option, it'll copy what we're dragging. So I'm going to Option, and you can see there's a double arrow. I'm going to Option drag, and then let go of the mouse first. So I've now copied the circle and the type at the same time. Now it's upside down, so I'm going to take that center bracket and flip it on the path. And then there's that overflow text symbol, so I'm going to move that to make room, because I'm now going to type on bottom. And I'll straighten it out. Okay, now we're not done yet because this type on bottom needs to be on the outside of the path. Okay, to make that happen, we'll use a negative baseline shift. And this is our baseline shift right here. So if I start clicking, see that's bringing it up. I'm going to go the other way with a negative, and that's going to move it to the outside of the path. Looks like Myriad Pro, 24-point type on a 3-inch circle. You'll need about -16 of your baseline shift. Okay, so that is how you do the type on a path quiz, type on top, type on bottom. Remember, you need 2 circles, and it can't be upside down.